Hello, a very good morning to all my dear students. Today we will start from the first lesson. Introduction to IPO. And the topics are working of a computer, advantages of a computer, limitation of a computer. So the very first thing comes to our mind, that how the computer works. So here we will first see how the computer works. A computer is a smart machine. A computer has four main parts. Each parts of a computer performs different functions. First is monitor. It looks like a television. In this you can see all your doing work on a screen. Second is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. The CPU controls the other parts of a computer. It is called the brain of a computer. Third is keyboard. Keyboard is used to type on a computer. Each key has a letter, a number, or a symbols on it. Fourth is mouse. A mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. It is used to draw, select, and open files on the monitor. It is also called a pointing device. So the students, this works on the cycle of input, process, and output. This cycle is known as the IPO cycle. Let us see about the first step, input. Any words, numbers, or symbols entered in a computer are called data. Any orders you give to a computer are known as instructions. Input is the data and instructions both given to the computer. You can enter data and instructions into a computer through input devices, such as a keyboard, mouse, microphone, and so on. The second step is processing. The process which converts any input given by you into output is done by a processing device, that is a CPU. The third step is output. After processing, the computer gives the result on monitor, that is called output. Now let us see some easy examples of input, process, output cycle, which we see in our daily life. Students, we have seen, in our house, our mother wash the clothes in washing machine. That is IPO cycle for washing clothes. In this, clothes are input, which we put in machine with water and detergent. After that we start machine, that is processing. And at last the clean clothes comes out, that is output. So in the IPO cycle, every data or instruction is input. Every action is a process. The result of every action is output. Now let us see what are the advantages of a computer. Speed. The computer can perform any calculation at a very high speed. Accuracy. A computer never makes mistakes, it always gives correct results. Mistakes are generally done by the users. Versatility. Computers can efficiently perform a variety of tasks. For example, it can play music, perform calculations, share information, and so on. Storage capacity. Computer has a huge storage capacity. It can store a large amount of data. This data can be used anytime you want. Diligence. Computer does not get tired. It can work for long hours without needing any break. Multitasking. A computer can do lots of work at the same time. For example, it can play music while you are typing. Now see the limitations of a computer. No feelings. A computer does not have any feelings, it is a non-living thing. Human-dependent. Computer is a man-made machine, it cannot do anything on its own. Zero IQ. IQ stands for intelligence quotient. A computer has no intelligence of its own. For example, if you enter incorrect information on the computer, it cannot correct it and will show you the incorrect result.